Hi guys, I know I look a bit of a mess. Just recording this just in case I put anything because I've had these come today. But I ordered a new hop as well, which I thought was nice. But yeah, we're gonna basically just open these just in case I get anything good. I want to try and keep the packaging as nice as possible. I'll keep the EV code and coin in there for now, I think. So here we are, there's the packs. I'll get rid of the code card. Oh, yeah. I've got the energy. So, indeed, Chronaut. I'll tell Water that I got that version. Remoraid, Onyx, Morani. Is that? Oh, Ember, nice. Oh yes, Victini. Haha, yes, that's one of the ones I wanted. Oh, that's fantastic. Oh, that's a beautiful looking card. Next pack. So first pack we got Victini. Nice. Now Victini is one of the ones I wanted as a V card. Water. Ogurda. And they didn't put the cards on it. On the ones I'm thinking. Ogurda. Cedra. Oh, Final Waves. Okay. Pinward. Houndour. Shinx. Gaia. Oink. Oh, Galarian Mr. Rhyme. Nice. Elective. Oh, and that was the rare. That's fair. We got Steel Energy, Energy Recycler, and Ability, Girder, pulled out this one, another handle, Scatterbook, I needed that one, Hone Edge, Gligar, Electabuzz, Needy, and Entei. Well, that's a nice card. That is a very nice card. So we pulled one card today, which I'm pleased with. I'm very pleased with this card because I only watched the story the other day and I really liked it. Is the Victini card and it looks fantastic. So yeah, this will probably go up on the channel today. just as a little filler video because I've gone for the Victini. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Uh, but